Baby I love. But you fucking stink bitch, when's the last time you took a shower? Last year in Chewbacca's ass. No wonder you smell like shit.
UGHH. Nigga you so ugly, yo mama lost your virginity for you cause you felt bad. Am also tired of you pushing my black ass around, it's time I do it myself. Deuces nigga.
And Hannah Blad is the most amazing person in the whole entire world. She's so good at basketball and is so good looking too. Man, that nigga is better than yo slut ass.
Whatever. UGHH. Goodbye forever bitch.
Bye.
Bye.